your voice from the TV in the living room. You sound scared and we all wanna help you. Carol Ann, now you gotta fight, so go and walk into the light. All the things that go bump in the night found the way back here inside. With two words you made it clear, Carol Ann, they're here. Whoa! We're seeing things we can't explain, like that tree that came alive and tried to take your brother's life. And that clown up in your bedroom, I think he really wants to hurt you.